Hey everyone, my name is Adam Arendell and I'm with the Ixia chapter of the Florida Native Plant Society. And today I'm in a state forest outside of Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm at a power line right-of-way on the hunt for some terrestrial orchids. But before we go exploring, we need to be very careful how we share locations. Unfortunately, people still poach plants, specifically orchids and carnivorous plants. So if you're going to post stuff on iNaturalist, please obscure the location and also hide the date and the time to throw off would-be poachers. So let's go check out what we can find. So I'm standing under a power line right-of-way in a pine savanna, and they're seasonally wet. And right now I'm in front of Calopogon tuberosus, or the bearded grass pink. And Calopogon means beautiful beard in Greek. But I'm surrounded by all kinds of wonderful plants here. Hypericums, large spreading Pagonias, Calopogons, colic root. Alright, so we found our first Platanthera nevia, or the snowy orchid. Now Platanthera means wide anther, and nevia is Latin for snow, alluding to the white flower. Now this is a really small one. We usually find them much more robust, but this is the first one so far. They're just absolutely gorgeous. It is so awesome. Now I think it kind of smells like grapes, but that's probably subjective. But pollinators absolutely love this, and I've seen little butterflies put their mouth parts in to pollinate it, and I've seen the pollinia, or the pollen sac, get stuck to the head of the butterfly, so it's really cool to see that. And like all orchids, or most orchids, they're pollinator deceivers, which means there's actually no reward, no nectar for the pollinator. So, devious little guys. Platanthera nevia, the snowy orchid. So we just found Pagonia ophioglossoides, which is also called the rose Pagonia or the snake mouth orchid. This is a cute little orchid. Pagonia means bearded, and that's Greek for bearded. And ophioglossoides is Greek for meaning it resembles Ophioglossum, which is a fern. It's so pretty. Bees really love Pagonias. So, and these are really good indicators of pine savannas as well. So anytime you find rose Pagonias, it's a good place to find other really cool plants. Check this out, everyone. Cleistiopsis divaricata, the large spreading Pagonia. What a cool orchid. Now, Kleistes is Greek, and it means closed, and it's referring to the petals that are closed. And divaricata is referring to the three spreading petals on top. Now the large spreading Pagonia is endemic to the coastal southeastern plain, but more common in North and South Carolina, and it's getting rare in Florida due to habitat destruction. But one of my favorite orchids, and we've measured a few of them out here, and they get around 2 feet tall, so they're quite amazing to see sometimes. Cleistiopsis divaricata. Now we've had a drought out here in northeast Florida for about 2 weeks, but we're still finding these large spreading Pagonias out here, so pretty amazing to find them still.